Hello dear, how are you? I would like today to share some of the best travel tips with you. This is a part 1 of 10 tips. Number 1. Eating the local food. It's a good way to know any place better. You will love trying new things as you will find 1,000 amazing dishes that will not be discovered if you continue eating from supermarkets around the world. Try everything, whether or not you have got no idea what it is. I promise you won't regret it or fall straight into anaphylaxis. Number 2. Make a little plan as you can. Your plans will nearly always change. It's possible to arrive in a place and hate it and need to depart immediately. Or you may like a destination and wish to spend longer there. You may make friends with some awesome people and want to alter your plans to be able to travel with them for longer. Or you may find out about an amazing sounding town that's nearby and like to head there instead. In fact, you must have a rough plan for your trip, but avoid booking everything in advance, or you will likely feel too restricted and find yourself regretting it. It's better to book a one-way ticket and the first few nights of accommodation. Then you will figure the remainder out along the way. It's not as intimidating as it sounds. If you are in a tourist destination, there will always be someone who's willing to give you a place to stay for your money. Number 3. You should get travel insurance before traveling. There are too many horror stories of travelers injuring themselves overseas and ending up in many thousands of dollars worth of debt. Don't think that it won't happen to you, because you recognize those travelers thought that too. Number 4. Carry many passport photos with you. That will save you a ton of time and hassle. It's useful to use them to apply for visas around the world, to get a new passport when yours expired while being on the other side of the planet, to buy the local SIM card in another country. Having many copies in your backpack means avoiding wasting a day researching and then wandering around the city to try to find someone who could take a passport-sized photo of you. Number 5. Keep important things in your day pack. Take care. If there is anything you will be upset to lose, keep it in your day pack, which is always by your side on travel days, such as your passport, laptop, camera, external hard drive, a debit card, and some spare cash. As long as you have all of these, you will be able to survive indefinitely. Number 6. Wear sunscreen. When you travel, you may spend entire days outside exploring, so it would be better to wear sunscreen every day, regardless of the weather and temperature, to avoid ending your trip of a lifetime in skin cancer or a body with leathery wrinkles. Wear sunscreen on your face and chest every day, even in the middle of winter. Number 7. Take more photos. Take photos of yourself as more as you can. Photos of the beautiful places you visit are great and all, but when you're back home, they are not all that different from the ones everyone else has there too. Photos with you in them are special and will mean a lot of you when you look at them later. Number 8. Learn some words of every country's language. Please know that if you don't speak the language of locals, it's your problem, not theirs. You will gain more respect if you can at least say hello, please, sorry, and thank you. Also, don't start speaking louder to make yourself understood. Try to mime instead, or to use a translation app on your phone. Number 9. Take an earplugs and sleep mask. Whether you stay in hostels or not, you will still need to cope with street noise from outside, loud bars nearby, and uncomfortable overnight journeys. Take some earplugs and a sleep mask in your bag to help improve your sleep. Number 10. Do that to fit more in your backpack. Do you know the vacuum seal packing cubes? Just throw your clothes in, seal the bag, then roll it up to force all the air. That will make you able to fit twice as many clothes in your backpack when you use them. Whether you want to carry more things in your bag or not, It frees up such a lot of space that you would like to pack in a hurry. Just chuck everything in.